Right now, there is an historical signal flashing here on Bitcoin, and in this exact video, I will be going over what this means for Bitcoin, because at least, historically speaking, we tend to see a 10% rally towards the upside after this signal is flashing. So in this exact video, I will be going over this signal. I will be talking about the most important support and resistance, and right now, Bitcoin is breaking above $21,000. And in this exact video, I will be going over what it means for Bitcoin, what the further continuation is going to be looking like, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Yesterday we were close by smashing it back above 400. Can we do it on today's video? That will be absolutely amazing. So smash up that like button. And to go straight away in towards the content, yesterday we were talking about the symmetrical triangle breaking bullish, and like you can see, after we confirmed the bullish breakout, Bitcoin straight away saw further continuation towards the upside, and the first point where it was running in towards resistance was indeed our target around the $21,000. As soon as we did confirm the break above, and straight away once we did confirm the break above, I confirmed it in my Telegram signal group. But once we confirmed the break above the $21,000 barrier, we basically started to see more upside following for Bitcoin straight away afterwards. So like you can see, and I've been talking about this level for several times before on the channel, historically speaking, it has been providing significant resistance and support right here as well. It has been providing very strong support, and exactly right here, before Bitcoin broke above it, we got 2 times significantly rejected by it. And in yesterday's video, I also talked about, okay, Bitcoin is currently trading between a range, the support range and the resistance on the top side. And if we break above the resistance range, what is laying somewhere around $21,000, we could be expecting a continuation towards levels around $22,000. So if you did open the long position on the exact breakout, you would have been already in a profit of 1.8% towards the upside. And if you, of course, yesterday opened a long position on the exact breakout of the down sloping trend line, you would have been in a profit over 5% already. That is, of course, an amazing profit if you did took that trade here. So far, the price target of the symmetrical triangle is already reached, and my next strategy here for me to open a position on Bitcoin is actually to wait potentially for a retest of this very important support box, because previous resistance and previous support, once you do break above it, is going to be most likely flip into resistance once again, and that is also going to be my strategy yet so far. Also, looking at the parallel channel right now on Bitcoin is finally breaking above it, and like you can see, this was a very important level of resistance, right? We got rejected by this level for an approximately 5-6 times in a row. Also, before we had the bullish breakout, we first got rejected, and after we finally broke above it, we are right now starting to see more upside. Of course, a potential retest of the parallel channel would be, of course, a crazy good long opportunity, and it's going to be somewhere around the $21,000 barrier. Right now, I do see a bearish divergence getting formed on a 4-hourly time frame, and due to this reason, I do not expect that the continuation is going to be here. I do expect that we're at least going to be some sideways price action for Bitcoin in the coming hours ahead of ourselves, or some small little bearish relief here. And if we do retest that upper sloping support line, I'm going to go in with another new long position here on the market. Also, looking at the daily time frame, we officially broke bullish, and this is the first time we broke bullish of a parallel channel from the last 3 times we've been creating one, and actually broke bearish every single time. Furthermore, if you actually want to be trading the market, if you're in the US, I would recommend to check out BitGet, because BitGet allows you to trade out from the US. If you're anywhere else in the world, I would recommend to use Bybit, so make sure to check it in the link in the description, because both of these exchanges are offering an insane deposit bonus. You could be benefiting from it, and you can actually trade with free money that the exchange is offering you. So make sure to check out the link in the description if you are interested in trading, and make sure to claim that insane deposit bonus. Furthermore, looking at the price action of Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame, we're starting to see the MACD crossing bullish again, what is signaling that more bullish momentum is likely on its way. And just like I told you on the 4-hourly time frame, I expect that there's going to be a little bit of sideways price action for Bitcoin in at least the coming 12 hours ahead of ourselves. So if we're going to see further continuation, my next target basically for Bitcoin, where I will be aiming for, is going to be the 22.5k. If we break above that 22.5k barrier, it's going to be looking very good. But like you can see from history, previous very strong support, previous very strong resistance, as well over here, so this level will be most certainly provide us significant resistance. I do not say that we should be opening a short on this level, but in my opinion, this is going to be a take profit part for definitely my long positions I currently have open. So 22.8k is going to be a target I will be looking at to potentially take some more profits off the table. Right now as well, what's going to be important to look at is the daily time frame, and see Bitcoin on the daily time frame break above the previous high in the market, what is going to be around 22.4k, that high that I just mentioned. mentioned, it's an important level, and if we confirm a daily candle close above, the next likely target to be reaching for Bitcoin is definitely around to 24 to 25,000 US dollars. And actually, if we do break above that region, we could be expecting for Bitcoin to fly all the way back up to 30k. So those are targets I will be looking at. But so far, I'm going to be looking at the immediate short-term target, and it's going to be around 22.4k for Bitcoin. Furthermore, if I do look at the daily time frame, we are also currently have seen the first historical signal flash once again. Bitcoin, its EMA ribbon on the daily time frame, is flipping bullish for the first time since 224 days. And like you can see, right now, exactly on this moment, we are bouncing from the EMA ribbon that right now finally is providing support. And last time around, we broke above it, we were not finding support on the EMA ribbon, and right now we're doing so, and we're having a bullish crossover. Historically speaking, always once we're getting a bullish crossover, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go in a longer term uptrend, but we at least tend to see a 10% plus rally. Here we saw a 13% rally. Here we crossed bullish, and we saw an approximately, what was it? 43% bullish rally. Here we crossed bullish, it was over here, and we rallied an approximately 28%, and so go on. We have been seeing in history many of these bullish movements after the EMA ribbon flip bullish, right? So this is definitely a good signal to see in the market, and I at least expect that Bitcoin is going to be moving from the point it flipped bullish with an approximately 10 to 14%. So that is going to be targeting levels around 23,000 US dollars. So I honestly do think the continuation towards the upside isn't done yet so far. I mean, according to history, it wouldn't be likely that Bitcoin is going to stop out already around the targets where we're currently trading at. I'm not saying that Bitcoin can't go down before it goes up, but I'm at least expecting that the trend is going to be towards the upside a little bit longer for the remaining of this time here. So this is actually a very good signal that finally is getting confirmed after a 224-day downtrend. Also, looking at the Bitcoin weekly time frame, we're currently running in towards the weekly bull market support band, and that is of course currently providing resistance like it historically has been, also providing support like it has been providing resistance. It's currently once again providing resistance, and to confirm a bullish break above the bull market support band, we need to be breaking above the 23,000 US dollars approximately on the weekly time frame. So that's also going to be a target I will be looking for, and once we do break above it, you will be the first one to know here on the channel. So this was it for me on today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, will be highly appreciated, and of course check out the videos that are currently popping up above if you want to be making passive income in the industry. Anyways, this was me on today's update video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.